We have moved up to the center of the country now to the second largest glacier of Iceland, the huge Langjökull Glacier. There it is looming up behind these mountains. I guess that can give you a sense of the size of this glacier. And what do glaciers do in the summertime? That's right, they melt. And where does all that water go? That's right, into a magnificent waterfall named Gullfoss, the Golden Waterfall. The water cascades down 95 feet and is swept into a narrow gorge which causes thunderous noise and drenching spray. This whole area was once owned by a farmer, Thomas Thomasson, and when foreign investors pressured him and his daughter to sell them the area to build a huge power station, father and daughter went to the Icelandic parliament. Thomas's daughter even threatened to throw herself into the falls if their beauty were compromised. And so Iceland bought the area and forever saved these beautiful falls.